Quick Sheen Anti-Fog Cleaner versus Homeschool Whiteboard. So what I'm scratching at right there is just some old tape residue with some ink in it. You can see some pink and some dark spots on the board where it's just stained from ink. That stuff right there, that has been there for years. I'd like to use the board again, so I'm going to go ahead and spray the board off with some anti-fog cleaner and we'll see what happens. So you can see that the board itself is actually really clean. I went ahead and sprayed those sticky spots with some additional cleaner. I set my timer and I think I let it sit there for about 6 minutes before I tried to remove it. This was definitely the stickiest spot. I don't think I sprayed enough cleaner on it initially, so I had to respray, and I just went ahead and let that one sit for a while longer while I worked on the other ones. And look at that! That's a beautiful board again. That makes this homeschooling mom pretty excited. I wrote on the board with 3 different colors of ink just so I can test how well the board would actually clean off. Let's go see what else this works on.